What? Let's get my head.
It's like when you drive in the wet car.
Cool.
Yeah. Right, okay. So they don't end up. Yeah. Okay.
Guys, we're going to do it in front of them, let them just keep working, and we're going to go. So we're not going to wait for these guys.
So we're not going to have Josh.
Yeah, good. Nice to meet you. Great, nice to meet you, mate.
Good to meet you.
Yeah, and you, mate.
It's like a bucket list, honestly, to say I've met you, honestly. Yeah.
Awesome, man. Thank you.
You're cool, mate. You're fucking cool.
Well, thank you, man. Are you excited for this tonight?
Yeah. Well, it should be. I only found out a week ago, so got a chance to go in the Guinness World Records. So it's quite cool. Just met the official guy, and he looks exactly like what I'd hoped. He's wearing the Guinness blazer.
Like a little leprechaun.
Well, yeah, but he's wearing the Guinness blazer. Guinness
Yeah.
World Records.
They're very weird attire, don't they?
Yeah, he looked as official as I hoped, really. Yeah.
It's not fake.
You could. Is it?
Yeah,
It's your first time at FE?
He should be. He put him in the car. Check if the car goes any speed. The car, it will be even more camber on the wheels.
Need a bit more horsepower, man.
Just my.
Loads of room on the brake.
Yeah, there is plenty of space. And you're going to be out with the proper new tires, and the first run, just take it easy and take a look and see how it goes.
Yeah, easy.
It's easy.
Is that the chilies for you?
Yeah, that will be.
This is a good starting point, and if you want to go up, you can go like this and then come down here. Let's go like this. Start with 5.1. I think it's good. Okay, man.
Fantastic job, mate. Fantastic job. Super proud moment for all of us here at Formula E.
Out on the right.
218.
Out on the right, no?
Huh? Come on, guys.
218.
All good? Yeah, I think
You're a
so.
record holder right now.
2-8. Well, until Lucas tries to beat it. Thank you. Well done, mate.
You see, sometimes I see those scooters. I was on like the A40 the other day, and I see one of them scooters. He's got a helmet on, and he's doing 65 on the wheels like that. One twig, and you're finished.
All right.
Nice, nice.
Brilliant. Look this way for me. Brilliant. Thank you very much. And now, look down below, please. One of the camera guys.
Times that you're here. So when you arrive,
so we start with, let's say, 20.00, 22.
Thank you, that's great, thank you very much.
There were 2 copies.
It feels absolutely incredible to be the world indoor land speed record holder. Honestly, when I was driving down here tonight, I didn't quite realise how much it would mean. And I think, yeah, going up against Lucas was obviously a bit of a second element to it. And yeah, when I saw him doing his runs, I really felt like I actually really wanted it. So I was buzzing, honestly, to be told afterwards that, or to see actually, you know, behind me on the boards that it's I have the record. It's something I'll cherish forever, I think. Yeah, it felt really cool going up against an opponent of mine in Formula E. You know, it was an extra twist to it, you know, in kind of dual format like we're very much used to in Formula E, and it was nice to get one over on Lucas. Obviously, it's something I've been quite good at this year in the dual format as well, so glad it continued over into a world record attempt. Driving the Gen Vita was special, honestly. Really stood out. Obviously, the extra power, the extra grip, but I think those two combined just created this concoction of just. Yeah, it felt really special to drive. It was felt like a big step forward from what is already a very impressive machine in the Gen 3 car, and yeah, hopefully looking forward to a very bright future for Formula E.
I was here today to give the guys some insight what it takes to break a world record. Having held many world records myself, it's all about the mental drive and that focus. And sometimes you just need someone in your ear just telling you how it's done and, you know, what to focus on and give you that drive. Making sure they're staying focused on the job is super important. I mean, the land speed record got broken tonight by a very good margin. Both drivers did, but well done to Jake Hughes. He absolutely smashed it out of the park, and it's super nice to be here to witness that. And welcome to the club, Jake Hughes.
So, to allow Gen Vita to achieve the land speed record tonight, the biggest change we've made to this car has been the activation of the front powertrain kit in traction. That means the car has been allowed to be driven in a four-wheel drive configurations, allowing for more power. We actually increased the power by 50 kilowatt for a total of 400 kilowatt, more traction, more acceleration capabilities, and that allowed to make it as fast as we have seen tonight within that building.
I don't think anybody that works close to Formula E is surprised that we've broken the world record here tonight. The question was, by how much would we break it? As I say, when you put the minds of people like Hankook, 𝗙cie𝗶𝗶, Google Cloud AI, the FIA and ourselves at Formula E on unlocking the potential, unleashing the potential of the Generation 3 Formula E car, we knew it was going to break the record, we just didn't know by how much. So over 50 kilometres an hour is an absolutely tremendous result.
Exactly, and we're going to ask Eddie to test it out for us. So we're going to get him to ask us a few questions. So
okay. So so I can just ask this anything like the G-force of.
You could go with the G-force. Yeah. What do you think with that one?
So, what was the G-force of the fastest run? Two and a half Gs.
Okay,
that's a lot.
Sounds pretty.
Yeah.
Quite a lot, yeah.
That's a lot.
And then you could try max speed, obviously.
Max speed. Well, I think we know that, don't we? Was it 218.7?
For the car speed, but this will be wheel speed, so it's not exactly the same. Because the cars have got GPS, but we can use them because of the build.
Right.
So,
okay.
You could try also speed in the corner, max speed in the corner.
I'm going to say about 80.
Let's see.
They were actually quite slow coming out the corners. It was quite surprisingly.
60, it reckons. Okay.
60. Okay.
And then what else could we ask it?
You could try, the time when you hit the max speed.
So from the time, how would it do the time, and like from the start to where the?
It's recorded the time in actual.
I think we should have the actual timestamp.
So say what was the time of the max speed, and it should give like 9:45 or whatever it was. Okay, so 10:22.
Okay. Oh, so it tells you exactly on the dot. Is that to the second?
More than the second.
To the millisecond of when the world record was broken.
Yep, exactly.
Okay.
Cool. There you go. That's a generative AI for Formula E.
Quite fascinating.
It's great, isn't it?
Nice. Yeah, really good.
Thanks for testing it out for us.
No, thank you.